Now that we've gone over why we write in scientific notation, let's go over a few examples of writing numbers in scientific notation. So let's say we are starting with 427.7. And I know that if I write this in scientific notation, I need to have my decimal point be one position from the start of my number. So I'm going to want to have this as 4.277. But how do I get there? I'm going to have to multiply this. I have to move my decimal point 2 positions. And so I'm going to have to multiply this by 100 in order for these to be equal. So now I need to fix this 100 because in order to have it officially in proper scientific notation, my decimal point's one position over, but I also have to have 10 raised to some power. And to get 10 raised to some power to get to 100, I have to multiply 10 twice. So 427.7 equals 4.277 times 10 to the second. Let's take one more example. So let's say I have 0.007 or 7 1,000ths. So I'm going to have to move the decimal point 3 places to the right. I need to go this way, and I'm going to have to move it 1, 2, 3, because I'm going to want my decimal point after my 7. So I'm going to have to move it 1, 2, 3 places. So I have 7 times 1 over 1,000, which is the same as writing this as 7 times 10, 1 over 10 to the third, because 10 times 10 times 10, or 10 times itself 3 times, equals 1,000. And this, we know from our last chapter on exponents, that this positive exponent, since it's in the denominator of a fraction, can be written as a negative exponent. So we have that 0.007 or 7 1,000ths equals 7 times 10 to the negative third.